This is lesson 3.5, example 2, and we are listing these fractions from least to greatest. So, let's go ahead and get started. Just like with comparing fractions, I cannot list them right now because I don't know which one is least and which one is greatest. I mean, I do, but I don't because I don't have common denominators. I need to have a common denominator before I can order or compare my fractions. So, I'm going to find my common denominator by finding the common multiple of 2, 6, and 3. So, 2, 6, and 3. 2, 6, and 3. Sorry, count by twos. 2, 4, 6. Ooh, maybe I might get lucky here. 6 and 3, 6. I knew that was going to happen. But our least common denominator, our least common multiple here is 6. And I stopped at 6 because I know that 6 is a multiple of 3 and 6 and 2. So why should I go past that? No reason. I don't need to go past that if it's there. So my least common denominator is 6. So I can rewrite my fractions as over 6. 1/2 equals how many sixths? And 1/3 equals how many sixths? And 1/6 is 1/6, and I don't need to do anything to it. If I can find a common denominator, that means I don't have to change one or more of my fractions. I'm going to find that common denominator. Because the fewer fractions I have to change, the happier I am. So, how do I go from 2 to 6? Right up here. From 2 to 6, I'm going to multiply by 3. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top, so times 3. And 1/2 is equal to 3/6. How do I go from 3 to 6? Well, it's very similar to how I go from 2 to 6. I multiply by 2. Times 2. Notice how I just switched. Times 2 on the top, because what I do to the top is exactly what I did to the bottom. And 1 times 2 is 2. So 1/3 is equal to 2/6. Now, we have 1/6, 3/6, and 2/6. And I can easily order these from least to greatest, because I can count. 1/6 comes first. Next would come 2/6, which is equal to 1/3. And lastly would be 3/6, which is equal to 1/2. So, my fractions in order from least to greatest are 1/6, 1/3, and 1/2.